Hey guys, in this class we will create players card. So first of all, make sure you have this file, start file with the symbols and brushes. And I have my template, but I need a guide here for sweep of the card. Okay, so let's create that. Take your ellipse tool and create a circular shape. And take your selection tool and move it in the middle. Okay. And now I just want this part. Okay. So take your direct selection tool and delete this part. Okay. Just make marquee. Let me do it again. Okay. Just make marquee selection over here and delete. Okay. Now we have this. We can make it really thin. I want a 0.25 and also I can change color. Let's make it really red. And now this is the guide. I can lock it and now I need a new layer. Okay. So this is my guide and this is the new layer for my scarf. And now I can start drawing. So let's take a pen tool. Okay, so let's start from here. And finish here, okay, on this guideline. Escape key to release, and now you can see I don't have stroke, okay, but I need stroke. So press D key, and now you can see I have black stroke. Okay. Now take anchor point tool and give some shape. So we are making flares curve. Okay, so let's give S curve here. It looks fine, and now I can reflect this part. Select this with my selection tool and reflect. And now click here on the middle point and press and hold Alt key. And make sure you have vertical here and press copy. And now we have it. Okay. Now let's finish this top part. Okay. And for that, we need to select both and right click and join. Okay. So now you can see both parts are joined, and now I can give some curve. Now again take your pen tool and the second line. So curve. So I can see. And yeah, I noticed my stroke it's not round, okay? Cap is not round and also corner is not round, okay? So make sure you have this. And the same thing. I want a round corner, round cap. Okay. Now it looks fine. Yep. Now work on this part. Okay. So first we need to create draping line here. Okay. So again, take your brush tool and let me zoom out a little bit so I can see the belt. Okay. You can start from here or you can start from bottom. Okay. So I'm starting from here, from bottom. So I already have my guideline, and yeah, make sure you don't have, okay, you don't have fill color. Okay, so remove this. I want to just stroke, and now create draping line, or drape line, escape key, and so we don't have any specific number, like you can just visualize. Okay, so now I think it looks perfect. And then select these lines by pressing and holding shift key. Okay, let's do this. Yep, it's working. And now let's move these lines to another layer. So make a new layer. These drape lines are selected, and click on this point and just move here. Okay. So now you can see we have these lines on another layer. Okay. And now we can lock this. Okay. And now we can work on this layer. We can call them drape lines. Okay. We need to change profile for these lines. Okay. So let's change. And you can see it's not perfect direction. We can flip it. Now it looks perfect. And now I think we can create smiles on this layer, so we can merge or join with this outline. Otherwise we cannot make a closed shape. Okay, so let's come to this layer and now start drawing our smiles and frown. Okay, so click escape, click yes, escape, and same thing, click and escape. Now take your anchor point tool and give some curve. Okay. And now let's draw from. Okay. And also escape, take your anchor point tool and give some curve. Again, pen tool. Anchor point tool. Okay, so let's move this line a little bit here and take your direct selection tool, and I can see this point is too high. Let's move it down, and now it looks perfect. Now I can uh, join this part. Okay, so let's turn off this, and now I can see you like we have gaps here. Okay, so how we can remove this gap? Okay, so there is a simple trick. Take your selection tool, select this part, right click, join, right click, join. And now you can see we don't have any gap, but we cannot see the belt line. So let's select all, arrange, send to back. Okay? Now you can see. And now we can turn on our drape line. Okay? So this part looks perfect. And now we can create the back part. Okay. So and let's select the outline. Okay. And Control C for copy, Control B for paste. Okay, paste at back side. And now right click, isolate selected path, and take your anchor point tool and give some shape and fill this with gray color. Okay. Now it looks fine. I can do right click, exit isolation mode, or I can double click. Okay. And now you can see I have back. Okay. Yes, this color is too high, so let me make it almost here. Now it looks fine. So this is a front, okay, and now we need back. Okay, so let's select all, unlock. Okay, and now select all and group. Now let's make copy of this. Okay, so change name, it's my front. Okay. Yeah, I can delete it. Yep. And now I can select it and I can make a copy of this. And this is my back. Block front and move back. Out a little bit. Yep. And even I can turn off my template. And let's move. I don't know what to do. Now now lock it, and now I can work on that side. Okay. First of all, let me remove this front outline. Okay. Oh, okay, I can't do this because it's grouped. Okay, first let me ungroup it, and now I can delete this. And here I have fill color, I don't want it. And let me take this line and give some curve. And now back is almost ready. We need to add seam line here. Okay, so take the pen tool and make sure you are creating seam line in the middle. Okay, you can press on our shift key for straight line, escape, and let me see. Yep, we need to reduce the length. Okay. And now let me add zipper. So this is bottom part, and here we don't add actual zipper. Okay, we can do one thing. Okay, let's select this and break a link to symbol, and we just need this part. Okay, take your direct selection tool and up, and make sure you delete all parts. Oh, select this, delete, delete. Now we have only this part, and we need, let me put it here. Rotate, reduce the size. It looks perfect. And yeah, also let's change the color. We don't want gray. So let's select white color. Okay. And now it's ready. Okay. Zoom out. Select it. Look. And now let me stand my back here. Oh. And here. And now you can see I can move it under my front. Select all and group it. And also for outline, you can change the stroke, okay? Because for outline, usually we use 2-point stroke. So you can do this by using your appearance panel, window, appearance. And now you can see we don't have any fill and stroke, okay? So we need to create a stroke. And let's make it 2. But you can see it is affecting the whole skirt outline, and even the lines also. Okay, style lines, we call them style lines or drape line. So how we can remove 2-point stroke here? We can just select this layer and we can move here under content. And now you can see we have 2-point stroke at outline. We don't have this here on our style line. Okay, so this is the way you can assign a 2-point stroke. Okay, and even you can save it. Okay, you can make it a graphic style. This is my 2-point stroke. Okay. So this is ready. Okay, so this is flare skirt. Okay, how about you want a gather skirt? Okay, in that case you can use this template. Okay, let me change this skirt to a gather skirt. Okay, so select this direct selection and let me find the handles. Okay, now you can see we have S curve. We don't want S curve. And this side also. For gather skirt, we don't want S curve. Yep. Okay. Let me ungroup it. And yep. And now we can create gathers here. Okay. So let's keep. We don't want to fill color. And now it looks fine. And now I can do one thing. I can select all these shapes. I'm pressing and holding shift key. And just selecting the yep, label. And now I can create a new layer and I can move the okay. Up. Now group and change the profile and also I want a 0.5 stroke. Let's assign this with profile 1 and now you can see they are gathers. Okay, and even you can if you wanna change length you can do okay. But main thing in gather skirt like how you are making gathers. Okay, so yeah, so this is all about flare skirt and gather skirt. Okay, thank you.